Central Park. Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Time was currently 9 a.m. and listen, I woke up to somebody being at my house, and the reason is I set an alarm because I have to do this morning, but then when I woke up to my alarm, I forgot that I had to do this morning, so then I kept snoozing my alarm until 9 a.m. came around, and then I heard a beep, which is my, well, that's not my doorbell, but I don't know any other sound effects. And there was 5 men at my door. The reason why though is not for, I don't know what you were thinking, but today is the day I'm getting my living room whole situation put together because listen, let me update you on this. Do you see this? So do you guys remember when I was in the store and then I saw this coffee? So I was gonna like cut that and like say it again, but I don't care. I saw this coffee table and I was like, oh my God, I need to get it. Little did I know, even though in the back of my mind, I did know that I had no room for it. So now we have not 1, not 2, not 3, 4 coffee tables. Listen, the last 2 are from my old apartment because the one that I just showed you in the box, I ordered that in March. It came in March the next year. So we have a lot, but also I bought this new rug to go right here because this right here is my pool table. Now, not the actual table itself. Those are just the legs. The actual table itself is downstairs, which they delivered yesterday, but the thing is, my elevator is 95 inches, but the pool table out of the box is 95.5 inches, and that just 400 pounds. So 2 people couldn't help. They literally was like, yeah, I don't know what to do. So I called literally 20 moving companies yesterday, and I tried to get the lowest rate, and now we have 5 dudes here to try to get it up the stairs. But also, I bought a new rug because this is just giving nasty to me. Because if you guys look super closely, you guys can see that it's like made up of like weird, I don't know, it looks like they recycled and threw that shit in this rug, which A+ for recycling, but every time I sit on this, I literally get itchy because literally, what is this? We have to put the rug down, do all this shit before they get the pool table up here, which is gonna be very soon. I never said I was organized, okay? At this point, I am literally so lost at what to do. But saying it out loud is like, okay, girl, if you don't get this pool table in this house, it's not the end of the world, you know what I mean? But listen, I think it's because I romanticize this apartment so much with this pool table in it, because how cool would it be to like, after I'm 21, you're like at the club, and people are like, oh, like what is there to do? Like, damn, there's nothing to do. I'm like, yo, like come over, like let's play some pool. Probably getting this pool table in here is gonna cost more than the pool table itself. At this point, I'm just gonna make my eggs and try to worry about it another day. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys what I did. When my landlord showed me a tour of this apartment, showing me all the beautiful things, the one thing that he said was, you know, this wall, it was commissioned by an artist in Paris or something. You know, he came over here and he did this wall. It's beautiful. It's literally beautiful. Yes, that does say Merry Christmas. And yes, that does say Happy Holidays. My family put decorations up not realizing that this wall is special. The one thing he said not to up was this wall, and what did I do? It up. So am I the best tenant? No. I'm just a 20-year-old gal, you know, trying to live, laugh, love life. This dude rings his bells every time he wants to go outside. It's so cute. But whenever he's mad at me, he likes to poop and pee in the most random places. But that's when I know he's really mad at me. Like, you know what? I think people think Pomeranians are stupid. Like, maybe some of them are, you know? It's just like humans too. Not everyone's the brightest. Me. Just kidding. I would never say that to myself. I think Pomeranians are actually pretty smart for being a small dog. Like, I think Sterling's actually really smart. I'm not just saying that because he's my own dog. So he knows that when he's mad, he needs to make a statement. So he'll literally just like shit in the house. But that's when I like don't give him enough attention because I'm busy with other things. But I've learned to really, really appreciate Sterling a lot. Not be on a rant about Sterling while he's about to shit. You go, girl. He's a boy. But I got Sterling when I was 16, if you guys were wondering. I was literally a kid taking care of a kid. But it worked out. Like, I feel like we have this bond of doing everything together. We've been traveling together for so long. He's been through so many breakups with me. Like, yeah. Something that I've been trying to get back into is habit tracking. She's doing it as well. But this is what mine looks like. It's on my whiteboard. Clearly yesterday, a bitch was not slaying. But today we will. Today, I have not done any of these things, but we will, okay? And this is hers.
I want to read and exercise and all these different things, right? And seeing all of the X's makes me feel like I have control.
I would suggest starting off with like literally 2 tasks because I know you may feel motivated and you're like, let me do 10 things at once. But then once you stop accomplishing those 10 things, you feel defeated. And it does does the opposite of what's supposed to do. So pick literally 2 things that you want to do and start habit tracking them, whether it be making your bed, walking for 10 minutes, like, and the best way I could describe it is if you want to start getting into working out, do not say run on the treadmill for 30 minutes, walk on the treadmill for 30 minutes, because if you don't do that, you're gonna feel so unaccomplished. What you need to just say is exercise, work out, and that could mean anything, and you just slowly build your way up. So what you should do is set out your running shoes and your workout set the night before, you know, anywhere that you'd like in your room. You see it in front of you. It makes it easy. There's no friction, because that's a lot of the reason why we don't do the things that we say we're gonna do, because, you know, we're not prepared. It takes too much time. By the time you say you're gonna do it, it's just too much mental effort. When your things are there ready for you to grab them, put them on, and go, it just makes it easier. It's a step closer to where you wanna be. Anyways, Poppy, they sent me a bunch of things. Well, we're gonna drink the raspberry bro! I dropped it! This shit's about to go crazy stupid. Ah, why do I always do this? Poppy. This is literally 27 minutes of footage that I've just been recording and talking. Daniela, RIP to you. If you guys don't know who Daniela is, she's the one that has to listen to my ass all day long and cut these videos down for you guys.
It's currently 5 a.m. I don't know why I convinced myself that like I needed to wake up at 5 a.m. Why does this look so good? Okay, basically, I woke up this morning and I turned on all the lights. And by this morning, I mean like literally 2 minutes ago. Because I have this habit of going back to sleep after I wake up from my alarm, no matter what time my alarm's at. This looks really good. I'm trying to get my life together. Because look at my closet, bro. Pick out a workout set. Oh my gosh, I'm literally wearing no pants. Did I just flash you? Jump scare. Good morning, Jenny. Good morning. Cheers. I'm trying this new thing called drinking water as soon as I wake up in the morning, because I'm literally having dreams about like drinking water and how yummy water is, and I'm like, I think that's telling me how dehydrated I am. Somebody told me that I drank like a kid once, because when I drink water, I'm just like I've been trying to be like more positive and like in tune with like myself, my feelings, and setting intentions and like following my intuition or whatever, because that's what TikTok says, right? No, I'm kidding, but not kidding. It's pitch black outside. Why? Because it's dead ass 5 a.m. Can you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Wasn't me. Let's meditate outside with the very faint view of the Empire State Building. I literally haven't meditated in, I don't even know, in decades. No, I'm kidding. I'm not even like 2 decades old. Actually, I am. But like something I've been doing for the past while, I don't know where I saw this, but you wake up right when, as soon as you open your eyes, don't fall back asleep or anything, but when you're in that like state of like, oh, like trying to wake up, open your eyes, you're like going from tiredness to like trying to wake up, you need to like literally make it a habit to be so delusional to yourself. Wake up and tell yourself like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have the best day ever. Like in your head, obviously, duh, I'm so beautiful, I'm so proud of myself, I'm literally so financially abundant, everything is always working out for me, I am so loving, I am so open to receiving love, I get everything that I want, everything is always working out for me, today is gonna be the best day ever, I'm having the most amazing day today. And like I know you're like, okay girl, what, for what reason? Try just telling yourself those delusional ass things, and I promise you it's crazy how much your life will change. It's crazy. It's called being hashtag Delulu. Hashtag Delulu. Okay, so I just did a 5-minute meditation. Typically, I always pick like a 10-minute one. Those are just too long for me right now, especially since I'm just starting again, and I notice I never actually finish them, and I like, when I'm meditating, I'm dreading, like I'm waiting for it to finish. But I feel like this 5-minute one was easy to do, and I could follow along without getting too distracted, because meditating is literally so hard. The sun's about to rise. Anyways, good morning. Today we're gonna be literally getting my whole apartment basically furnished and together. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't, because we are so close to 3 million subscribers. Why is there an eyelash on my dog? Let's go stairs. Let's go pee. Good morning, New York City. This is bad quality. I'm trying Farmer's Dog because Sterling's low-key a little chunk. But that's on me. But I also thought I would feed him good food. Not spawns, not spawns. Sit, stay. Eat it. Alright, time is currently 6:07. The sun is clearly coming up, but there's no sunrise because the weather is pretty gloomy today. But this is my new journal that I have. I don't know what brand it is. It's very pretty though. I got it while I was in Dubai. But a lot of you guys asked me what I write about, and to be honest, I just started writing again recently, and I forget, like, literally writing changes my life. I wrote a whole page at the end about what I'm grateful for, and some of the things I said was I'm so grateful for the education that I had growing up. And literally what sparked that thought was I wrote and I like looked at how beautiful my writing was, and I was like, wow, like, I don't know, it just got me thinking about like growing up, like how you would practice writing and everything. I said I'm grateful for the amazing talented team of people that I have. I'm grateful for my wonderful self-discipline. But I just always start off with good morning, and then I kind of write whatever thoughts are on my mind, if I have new ideas or if I have something that I need to do. And then I always write like today is gonna be such an amazing day and the things that I can't wait to do. Anyways, it's time to go on a run. Got the running shoes. I just finished a 2.5 kilometer run. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, I was so slow. When I got out there, I was like, you know what, just do it until 6:50. I don't care how slow you go, just do it until the whole time. Because typically I like run and then I get tired after 10 minutes. I'm like, all right, I'm done. But I was like, no matter what, just stay outside for the full amount of time that you said that you were gonna stay outside. But anyways, I'm currently sweating. I'm going to get changed because I'm about to hop on my bike. That was such a cold bike ride, but it's so good. Now we're getting bagels. Like, the last time I was here was like a year ago, but there was like a line out the door and it literally took like an hour to get a bagel. So if you guys want to come here, come in the morning. But personally, Essa Bagels is my favorite bagel in New York City, but the line is long, but it's so worth it. No, because look how crazy all these cream cheeses are. Oreo, bro. Here we have a classic sausage, egg, and cheese on an everything bagel. Oh, wow. Look where we are. Yes, I am gonna make him drink a honey oat latte. Only if he wants to. I like would never like force you to do that. Good morning. Could I get 2 iced honey oat lattes?
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is how the couch and the rug is looking right now. I like it so much better. I feel like the color is so much more bright. And it just makes it like look more open. This shit hits. You already know.
Imagine you're like in the thumbnail and you have like
no, literally. Oh my god, this is so good. This one's so cool. Wow, it matches so well. Yo, this crane is huge. Listen, I'm not the extra one. It's my landlord that suggested it. Landlord is the GOAT. Bro, ask me how extra I am. Oh my god. We did it. So gas. The grand reveal. So beautiful. That is so nice. Wow, this is a flex. I ain't gonna lie. currently 5:11. I was telling myself today was gonna be such a productive day. I literally wrote down like a whole entire to-do list and I was like, this is all the things I'm gonna get done with timestamps and everything. I think I'm on like task number 10 in the journal. Like at this time I should have been on task number 10 and I swear I'm on task number like 1. I love to sit and daydream and do nothing. But in my head it's not doing nothing because like me saying things out loud and being delusional like makes things happen. And like that's what I like to excuse it like not doing work for. But you know what? It's okay because I can get back to it. But can we just talk about this pool table? Oh my gosh, Sterling. Just kidding, I love my dog. Hey! Also, they put the coffee table outside. Also, look at these shoes. I just got them from Vietnam and like now they're up here so that whenever I go outside, I can wear these like, that shot was so ass. Anyways, cute, yeah? The camera is so shaky. But this rug is gorgeous. Gorgeous vibes. I saw this picture on Pinterest and it's what inspired me to get a rug like this. Something about me is like, usually I don't care about anything and I'll just kind of like, oh, whatever. But when it comes to like my house, oh, I put a lot of time and effort into that. Like that's something that I'll go on the computer for hours and hours and hours for looking for something. No, because it's the fact that this couch is patio furniture. That just says it all. Like a girl was searching too deep, but it's just a vibe, you know? The pool table looks so sexy. I verbally laughed out loud because I remembered that like there was literally a crane outside. I mean, for you guys, it was maybe a minute ago in the video, but for me, like maybe like 5 hours have passed. I'm like, I can't believe that just happened. It wasn't my idea, okay? Are gonna update my whiteboard. Here's my whiteboard. If you guys don't know, I literally got this off Amazon. It's like one of those like peel and stick thingies. Haley drew this cute drawing. I literally do not want to erase it, but like maybe I should erase it so she'll do another one. Do you guys think she would draw me another one? I literally haven't touched this whiteboard because I don't want to erase this. I swear to God, I'm actually about to be so productive just because of this one moment right here. Because the thing is, when you write it down on a piece of paper in a journal, it's not right in your face. When it's up here, it's like, oh my God, stop looking at me. I'm gonna write the things that I already did today to feel more productive first and check them off. All right, the things that I have accomplished. The things that I need to accomplish. Definitely a long to-do list, but it can get done. Get into it, yeah. Hey. Hello. Thank you so much. Food.
In the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest. All night long, she putting me to the test. Got a lot on, I'm trying to take out the rest. Couldn't know my lines, I'm sending them but the best.